Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Camille, your go-to realtor specializing in helping buyers and sellers across Union County find the perfect condo or townhome. I can't wait to show you what's in store for today's tour. Before we take a closer look at what's inside, maybe you've been searching for your first home and wondering if you're ever going to find one that's in your budget. In this market, it can feel like you're always too late or being asked to offer way above asking just to stay in the game. I work with first-time buyers all the time, and I have strategies to help, including access to off-market properties that you won't see online. Let's have a private conversation and talk about how to make this work for you. Just text me at 973-544-8655 or use one of the links below. Today's tour features a cozy one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo at Linrose Manor in Linden, New Jersey. If you're looking for a convenient location and a stress-free lifestyle, this community is worth considering. Love Linden? Don't forget to check out other nearby tours on my channel for more options in the area. For help navigating the condo market, visit condosofunioncounty.com. Reach out to me directly or use the consultation link below. Let's dive in and take a closer look inside.